from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow WAV, Coopers Plains. The phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Holden Barina Spark LT hatch. Stock reference number 3894. The shape runs from the 12th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has an LV7 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LV7 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right-hand fog light, left power door mirror, left rear door appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 15-inch alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre. Left tail light. It's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Camera type. Right tail light in good condition. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has two small dents and a large dent. Right power door mirror. Right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black center console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory MyLink, touchscreen, media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.